Let's talk about SOS. Important update for today, for Monday. As I told you, we're still holding this line and we bounce from it. So where the price will go, I see a bit of rejection coming. So where we gonna see the rejection and where the price will go in this week, we're gonna talk about it in this video. So like and subscribe to my channel. And as I told you guys, I just finished up setting up my membership at my YouTube. So just go and check it out. Here you can join, and as always said, guys, there's nothing will be changed, so everything will be daily update videos for you guys here. If you want to support me in any way, this is a perfect way to do so. And at the same time, you can choose if you want to have a privilege to have one of your favorite stock to be reviewed, and at any time you can ask me. I will be review it for you guys, because I got a lot of requests, and this is the best way to be like reviewed without delay. So if you want that, you can subscribe. And at the same time, I just set up a Patreon, like a lot of people ask me to do. So I just set up the Patreon, and you can actually support me over there. And this is another way to support YouTube, like any creator, as you know. And when you subscribe to Patreon, you can have the privilege to have the link for the Discord, private Discord, where you're gonna discuss all the things about the stocks and where to buy and where to sell, and review on your portfolio and give it like advices about the having a strategy and everything. So without further ado, let's go to SOS and see what the price been doing. So today we got really good run up, like almost 6%, 7% up. And this is really good, because as I told you in the previous video, we need to bounce from this beautiful ascending line, this line, and we've been bouncing from it since the 20th of April. We bounced once. Now we got a bit of rejection about the exponential average here around the $6.70, guys. This is really important, as I told you in previous video, around the 22 around this the early of April, when I told you this $4.70 is really important level. That's why we tested today, and we got a bit of rejection about this area. So now, even if we buy today or tomorrow or this week, we're gonna see the price get down a bit here to bounce again from this. It will be perfect to give us a bit of momentum to go up and break this a bit of a small rejection around the $4.70. If we did this and we bounce again from this line, will be really perfect to see the $5.28, and this is the other rejection area. But we're gonna see the $5 by this week for SOS, and this is really good turning point for SOS to see a higher prices. And I think my perspective, like for what I can see here, the price, if we actually saw the price went above the $5.28, will be a really good turning point, because now as I can see, the volume is still below the zero and going to positive right now. By tomorrow we will go to positive. Let's go to the small picture to see more what's happening. As we can see, is big volume, and is above, technically now we above the positive, and this is perfect scenario for SOS to test now the $5.28. And as I told you guys, we need to hold this level, this line. We don't want to go below it, because as I can see now, we got this rejection, and we see this candle. You see this wick, we just rejected exactly at $4.70. So even if we go down, we don't want to go down below this level, because if we go down, we're gonna break our momentum, the volume will go to zero and then negative, and this is will be and if we just break the $4 and we see the $3 again at 90 for this week, big massive rejection, and we're gonna see even the $3.29. So the most important thing is to hold this level to give us indication of changing momentum, at the same time pick up in volume, and we change in trend to see at least the $5.28, and from there, guys, this is perfect. If we see the $4.28 and we have the hold up here above, and we have the bounce from our exponential average here, boom, this would be perfect scenario, and we bounce here like by this week, and we bounce like this, and we never break this line. This is a perfect scenario for SOS, and we're gonna see the price even go to above the $5 and may even see the $6 by the next week. So this is the really important level. We have to hold just this line. It's as simple as that. Volume picking up, we holding our line, supporting line, ascending or support, as preferably would be ascending in this case, and we never break from it, and we just break from the technical first resistance at $4.70. This is the indication that we're gonna see higher prices for SOS for this week. So cut your emotion, have a piece of paper, just but when you're wrong, admit you're wrong if the price went other way, because the most important thing in trading is let your ego aside, have numbers, have probability numbers. Even you're wrong once or twice, you save yourself a lot of stress and a lot of holding, because you don't want to admit you're wrong. Sometimes if you take the probability and you trade for years, as I did, if you just hold some mini stocks when it went down and you don't have a strategy, you've been holding for years, sometimes the stock will never recover, or recover, of course will recover, but you miss another opportunity because you have opportunity costs. You never know if the price will go over again. You never know. There's no guarantee 100% in the stock market. So what is the guarantee you is your strategy plan. This is what I'm telling you here. Have a strategy plan. As I show you here, the price will hold this line. It should hold this line because this is our strategy. If you don't have a strategy, make one. This is really important, guys. So as I told you, here we're gonna hold this line to back our to give us some indication that this line have a most significant for us or for the smart money. We need to hold, to bounce, and go up. Simple as that. So guys, I will update you about everything about SOS for this week daily. So hit the notification, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will put the link for Patreon and membership for my channel, so you can support me and you have more exclusive videos and live and chat with the Discord and everything if you like to. So without further ado, let's hunt for the exact right price value, but in the meantime, be patient, guys. Be patient, and then you know what you're gonna do. Of course, hunt for exact price value. So see you guys in the next video.